quick video to show you how to get into Zoom and how to use Zoom. So once you're in your classroom, there will be a Zoom link that you can click with time and date and all the details that you need. So once you're in the Zoom, you probably will see something behind this. So first things what you need to do is check your mic. So you can do that by coming to little microphone, clicking on the little arrow, and then selecting test microphone and speaker. And the other important thing is the chat option, which you can, if you click on it, it will open the chat over there. So you can chat with the trainer. So you can select who you want it to. So, you know, at the moment it's selected to everyone, but you're going to have like each individual. So you can send a message directly to your trainer. And then you can just close it by coming to little arrow and select close. Now to exit the full screen, so you can do something else, you can just click on minimize. If you click on that, you just minimize it and you have rest of the screen where you can do whatever you like. And then to go back on it, you can also change the view. You can make it a gallery view where you're going to see all of the attendees and the trainer, or just the speaker one where you're only going to see the trainer and all the little attendees at the top there. So yeah, I hope that helps. If you've got any questions, let us know. Thanks.